A court in Indonesia has convicted a woman of inciting religious hatred and sentenced her to 2 years in prison for saying a Muslim prayer and then eating pork, considered forbidden in Islam, on a TikTok video. Judges at Palembang Court in South Sumatra province in Sumatra Island also ordered Lina Lutfiwati to pay a fine of 250 million rupiah in their blasphemy trial verdict on Tuesday. Lutfiwati, who is also known as Lina Mukherjee and who identifies as Muslim, said a brief prayer phrase that translates to "in the name of God" before eating a crispy pork skin in a video that was published in March and was widely viewed. Once she went on trial on blasphemy charges, she expressed regret and apologized in a post on her social media last month. She apologized again after Tuesday's verdict. "I am surprised. I have apologized many times. Actually, I know that I was wrong, but I did not expect the sentence to be 2 years," Lutfiwati said after the trial. Indonesia is the largest Muslim majority country in the world, and consuming pork is considered haram or forbidden in Islam. The charge of inciting hatred against a religious group is a part of blasphemy laws that critics in Indonesia say have been used to curtail freedom of expression.